Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a very quick Lightroom Classic tip. What I'm going to be showing you only works in Lightroom Classic. Unfortunately, it will not work in other versions of Lightroom. It has to do with white balance. How often do you have an image such as this, where the white balance is off? And you'll open up the Basic tab and you want to correct the white balance with the eyedropper tool. So you grab the eyedropper tool and you'll just start clicking around the image, trying to find somewhere that will give you a proper white balance. And you just keep clicking, clicking, clicking. Well, what you can do is, I'm going to put the tool away for now, and I'm going to switch this back to as shot. Before you open up the tool or use the tool, go to the left-hand panel, make sure it's open, and make sure the navigator window is open. If it isn't open, just click on this little triangle so it's open. With the navigator open, grab the eyedropper tool, and what you'll find is the image in the navigator will show the white balance wherever you move the eyedropper, so you don't have to click. You could just move the eyedropper around until you find something that looks correct in the navigator. When you find something that looks right, then click, and you'll get your proper white balance. Let's try another one. If this image here, it's obviously too yellow. I have the navigator window open. I'll grab the eyedropper and you'll see I'll move around. You can see how it's really updating. Ooh, that's really blue. Now I come in here and like right in there looks pretty good, right? Click there and there. Corrected the white balance with that click. So this is a real time saver because quite often before I knew this little trick, I would often click various areas and I'd be trying to look at a place in the image that was perfectly neutral that I could click. Well, now I could just look at the navigator window, move that eyedropper around. When it looks correct in the navigator window, click. And usually I could do it within 10 seconds. So that's my quick tip for the day for Lightroom Classic. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.